export, I have to add one activity at least. Then I'll click File, Export, and I will choose Spreadsheet. Next, I only export the activities. Then I will select the project to export, and from the layout I will choose activity ID, activity status. I need the original duration as well. I will add the original duration, and okay. Next, I will choose from here where to save it. Put it in the desktop, lesson 4. Okay. Next, and finish. Now the export is completed. I'll minimize this one, and here is the result of our export. Double click, and I can show everything in this one by double click the column. Simply I'll come here, I'll copy the activity name, copy, and I'll paste the activity name here under the activity name. I will drag this activity ID, should be unique, shouldn't be repeated. Activity status, I'll put all of them not started. WBS code, I'll copy the same, no problem for now. Original duration, I can copy the original duration from here, copy. And you can put the start and the finish as is, don't change anything. Just the original duration. After I add here the original duration, I came from data, text to column. I'll choose the first one and I'll put comma, next, text, finish. This is the way Primavera understands the numbers. So I just add it like this, and let's see what is the result. So we'll save this one and go to Primavera. From File, Import, I'll import a spreadsheet. I'll go to look for my file. Next, I'll import the activities, import to existing schedule, this one, next, and finish. And here is the activities from Excel. Now it has been imported to the Primavera.